The name of our activity is Population Changes. And in this activity, we will discover how the change in the climate affects the population. إزاي تغير المناخ بيغير التجمعات. Let's open the text from our textbook to see it together. But remember that population means a group of organisms of the same species. They are living in the same area, like group of lions, group of elephants, or group of penguins. Before starting the activity, we need to read the questions in the book to understand what we need to do. The first question is, what does the word population change mean? And our second question is, how can change in the climate affect the population of a species? And our last question, why does change in the population of one species affect the population of the other species? These are the questions that we need to focus on and when we make our observations. Now, we have two resources to help us: the digital interactive activity and the text that you can find in your science book as well. All of our colleagues who are watching us right now, you can use your own textbook on the Knowledge Bank. It will help you to discover the information in the interactive and interesting way as well. Then you can review your observations quickly through the text. Did you read the text? Now, I will share my observation that I gathered from the text. What did I observe? I observed that although fish live in the sea, they are the main source of food for some birds. And also, fish feed on microorganisms that live in the sea. And these microorganisms are producers in the food web. Also, these microorganisms need cold water to survive. But we need to ask something. What would happen if the climate changes and the water becomes warm? يا ترى إيه اللي هيحصل لو درجة الحرارة ارتفعت وبقت المية دافية أكتر؟ Let's try it through our digital interactive activity. Here we have a question. Does one species in an ecosystem affect the population of another species? And we will know our answer through this game. Here we have to click the three different species that we have in this ecosystem. The first one is our microorganism. So this is a layer of microorganisms. It's found on the surface of the sea. These microorganisms can make their own food. We consider them as producers. They are found in cold weather. Small fish feed on these microorganisms.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا المستقبل يبدأ الآن.